Are you moving out of state this summer? I'm Catherine, and we'll help you get ready for your big move on Moving Tip Monday. There are a lot of details to consider when moving, let alone moving to a new state. Maybe you're moving for a new job, to be closer to family, or just to make a new start. But there's one thing for sure, you're going to have a long ride ahead of you. State-to-state moves can be big and exhausting. When packing your truck, keep it organized and prioritized. Keep boxes that you will need first together and mark them as open first. A U-Box container is another great service that U-Haul offers. All you need to do is pack it up and it will be shipped to your new home. It's great too if you're moving out of the country because they even ship internationally. Moving to a new state can take hours, even days, so make sure you're keeping yourself entertained. If you're moving with kids, have a couple of games ready, maybe even a coloring book. The license plate game is always a classic. And nothing says road trip quite like singing out loud to your favorite song, so make sure you have a moving playlist ready. Making big moves is made easier with U-Haul. If you're still looking for more moving tips, you can check out our blog, movinginsider.com. Also, make sure you're staying connected with us on social media. And we'll see you again for another Moving Tip Monday.